Hello guys, here is Samsung A13 6 128 GB. Let's unbox here. Okay, this is phone. Oh wow, it's in peach color. Yes, here's charger. Okay. Wow, looking so good. 6 128 GB. Okay, that was specifications. Quad camera, 50 megapixel camera, plus 5 plus 2 plus 2, 8 front camera है. Yes, और HD plus, full HD plus display है 6. Yes, and if you want it at a very low price, and full warranty, visit here. True Store Mobile is at KP Road, Anantnag, opposite Delhi Darbar Restaurant. Full warranty. Look here, wow. Camera, overall condition good. Love is.